Hey guys, so today I got in the mail one of those USB lighters where it makes a little arc of a spark for you to light things up. But we're going to try it out today. We're going to see if it actually works well, if it's good for camping or if it's good for lighting cigarettes or something. So let's give it a shot. So let's take a look at this. I'll leave a link in the description for you for this box. It's one of those USB lighters. It's a Aneagle. I don't know how to pronounce it. Let's see what it comes with. All right. Classic and fashionable. Okay. Lighter. Let's give it a shot. So this is the transparent one. It's cool. It has a, you can see the electronics in it. And it's transparent. So you could see by the design and the clamps on it, it's waterproof. I mean, it looks like it's waterproof and it is advertised to be waterproof. So we'll throw it in some water and try that out too. So let's open it up. All right. So you push it and you take out that lever right there. Let's see, push. All right. So that'll tell you how much charge is in. Oh, dang. That's pretty cool. You can see the light. So what's nice is USB chargeable. You don't have to refill the butane or anything like that. Okay, so here there's a power switch. Oh, it's for the light. A couple of different modes. That's cool. Let's see, where do you charge this? Okay, so here's the charging port. It's USB-C. Just plug it into there. So you have to charge it, you have to open it up and plug in the USB cable right there. There's your charging. All right, let's give this a test. It's charging up. And if this works out well, I may never have to buy butane again to fill up a lighter. I'll just recharge my lighter. All right, we're moving outside so I don't burn my house down. That's always a good thing. All right, so I guess for paper first, we'll just, all right. So that works well for paper, as expected. All right, next I have this candle that has wax on top. So let's see if it'll melt the wax and do its job on this. Okay, all right, that works. But I bet you what's really telling is, will it work lighting wood? All right, next up is we're going to see if we could use this to light tinder. It seems like it'd be more of a challenge if you had to light tinder with it. Okay, wasn't too bad. It might be even easier if you could bring something up to it and light it. So it's not a traditional flame, you can see there's an arc on it, and that arc heats up and lights whatever you're trying to ignite. So yeah, you could start a fire pit fire with it, light your tinder. All right, this next test is going to be a little bit harder since I have to get so much closer to it to actually light it. So let's see how well it does lighting gas. I don't want to get too close. Oh, okay. So as expected, I do have to get close to it. So I mean, it works, but just like a normal lighter, your challenge is getting close enough and not burning yourself. But yeah, you can light natural gas with it too. Oh, I'm near my jacuzzi. Oh, whoops. I think I dropped it. Let's see. All right. Still seems like it's working. That's a good thing. All right, this last test, I have to go to the side of my house and hide where I normally do this. works with this too. I gotta get out of here.